JSON, that is JavaScript object notation, and we are going to learn about some of its common properties. Now, as we can see here, we have a JSON string, which is in the form of the object, but it is actually a string. Now, we will convert this string into a JavaScript object. So here I will create one variable, and here we will use JSON dot parse, and we will pass here our JSON string, that is this one, JSON string. Now let's console log our object. So as you can see here we have our JavaScript object. Now we will again convert our this object in the form of a string. So here we will take another variable, and here we will use JSON dot stringify, and here we will pass our object. Let's console log this new string. So as you can see here we have our JSON object, the first one, and in the second console log statement we have here this string. Now if we write console log obj dot name, then we can read our name property here. Let's check that as well. So as you can see we are reading John here. Now we can modify them as well. So here what I will do, I will modify the age. So obj dot age equals to 42. Now if I again print our object, then we can see here age is modified now, that is 42. Another operation that we have is that is delete. So we can simply write here delete obj dot age, and if we again print our object, then we will see age is not there. So from here our age is removed. Now there is one task for you, how we can add one more property to the JSON object. Please let me know inside the comment section. If you have really enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends, drop a like, and save this video for the future.